Alright, so just remember, you're going to be shooting in the middle. Alright?
Roller coaster! Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do! You're about to die!
You sound like my duck!
Ah, my next big deal. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing it, I'm having fun! Oh, that's a load of fucking it gets me flying backwards! Hey, I can see a car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mind. You're all gonna die. The kitty ride. Ooh, at least we're safe.
Thanks to differ! You just off! Hey, we...
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, because I want to be fair and piece of advice, resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, dear!
Don't raise a temptation.
When did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction.
You foiled my plans for the last time!
You soiled your pants for the last time? Well said, you! Onward, convenient whale!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit. Mark, stay away from the ramp! I mean ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all!
They go up so fast.
Ooh, not so hard to this!
Put on there a emergency.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield!
The baby is wet and presumed drinking.
Well, I'm not going to change that type.
Mommy's coming, Johnny. Come on, Daddy. Destroy something. You bring it, you want it. Get away from my baby. Maggie, start a pacifier.
Home sweet. No! Boy, darklings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are clapping my face!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay? Smile.
5 seconds to kill somebody! Hello, folks!
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, it's all right. Hey, what does this do?